Hi guys, welcome to How to Solutions YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to show you how you can create professional account on Instagram. Before getting into this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel and click on the bell icon. So the first step you need to do is to open Instagram, and then you need to click on your profile picture in the right bottom corner, and then you need to click on three bars in the top right, and then you need to click on settings, and then you need to click on your account. Here you need to scroll down, and here you can see the option of switch to professional account. You simply need to click on that and click on continue, 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 and here you need to select your categories. So let me select I'm going to select blogger for example, and you can display that on your profile. Then you need to click on done and click on OK. So now you can see that professional account is creating, and it will take 30 seconds to finish. And you can select your creator or business. So I'm creator, click on next and click on save settings and click on continue. Okay, so you can not now, and here you can see that this is your professional account. Okay, so this is a process by which you can create professional account on Instagram. I hope you find this video helpful. If you find this video helpful, must like this video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos. Well, see you in the next video. Thank you, have a good day.